just got delivered a bike from Argos today, and the bike name is Cross. Its code is CXF300 folding bike, 16-inch, and I'm gonna unbox today and show you how to assemble the whole thing step by step. Yeah, so should we just start doing it?
Yep. So this is the box. Very handy tool, yeah.
Come on, show them how it looks inside. This is how it's inside, so I'm just going to take it off and show you how to do the rest of it.
It's still packaged up, you can't see it.
I'm gonna take all of this off first, and then I'm gonna show you how it will look. So let me see what we got in that small little box before. So this is the tools, and I already got tools, the same one. I had one quite similar tools, yeah.
Now you got two of each.
Yeah. Go.
What did you do?
I think just loosen up a little bit. So it's in. There you go. See, it's pretty simple. We just put it in, lock it up, done. That's it. Pretty much done. Just gonna put the padders on, and it's ready to go. So that's it. The right one. Take this sticker off so you can put it in the hole. Basically. Okay.
Thank you for watching this video. Comment down below and give a big thumbs up and subscribe to this video and
if you like our videos, like, share, comments, and stay tuned
for the next video.
Yes.